Villains have secrets and that's no lie. The midnight train leaves a thick black smoke. The phantoms of hell chase the burning coal. Through a cattle field with dead willow trees, Civil War coins in the soul so deep. 200-year-old names carved deep in a tree. Probably in another round watching me. Daddy burned up this old town in a ragged GT with 3 different wheels. Mama read tarot cards under that moon, spoke to God with some candles in the bathroom. My brothers and me was some rednecks coming